Welcome to Hitch Graphics channel.
Hi designers! In this video, I'll teach you how to create a modern poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors, which I use for this design.
Go to the Edit menu and copy. Then paste in front and change its width size and align it to the right side of the artboard. Apply the gradient to it. Follow My Gradient settings. Go to the Rectangle tool again and click on the artboard. Add 350 width and 850 height and place it here.
Go to the Direct Selection tool. Pick the top right anchor point and drag it down, and do the same with the right down side, but drag the anchor point up a bit. Try to follow my steps. Then go to the Line tool and draw a line here. Add a stroke color to it, hold the Alt button, and make a copy of it and place it here. Select both, right-click on them, and choose Group.
Double-click on them. Select the two anchor points using the Direct Selection tool and press Ctrl+J to join them, or you can find the tool in the Object menu, then Path and Join. Same with the other two. Follow my other settings.
After that, go to the File menu and Place. Select the image and click on the Place button.
I have this PNG image. The link of this image is mentioned in the description. Adjust its size. Now, you have to be focused. First, select the shapes, hold the Shift button to combine selection, go to the Edit menu and copy it. Then, paste it in front. Go to the Pathfinder and click on the Unite button. Follow me here. Right-click on it, arrange, and bring to the front. Select the image and the shape. Right-click on them and make a clipping mask. Double-click on it to go inside the isolated mode. Go to the Edit menu and copy it. Then paste it in front. Go to the Trace options and select Silhouette.
Click on the Image Trace panel to show more options. Follow the process. Click on the Expand button. Right-click on it, arrange, and send backward. Now go to the Effect menu, Distort and Transform, then Free Transform. Follow the process.
Go to the Object menu and click on Expand Appearance. Apply the Gaussian blur to it.
Now it's time to add the text to the design. Follow my text settings.
Select the text and rectangle. Right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Copy it and then paste it in front. Use the Direct Selection tool. Pick the line and drag it to the left to show the other side text. Now select one part, go to the Shear tool, click and drag.
Repeat it with the other side. Follow the process. If you have any question, ask me on the comment section. Thank you for watching.